This is Tom at New Tech Machinery. Today I'm going to walk you through our new online configurator that's on our website. As we walk through the configurator, you're going to have the option of configuring a panel machine, a seamless gutter machine, or a existing panel machine panel profile. So let's dive into it. Here's the timestamp if you're looking to configure a panel machine. Here's the timestamp if you're looking to configure a seamless gutter machine. And here's the timestamp if you're looking to purchase a different panel profile for an existing machine. Once I've clicked on the configurator, I'm going to select a category to begin the configuration. I can select a roof and wall panel machine. I can select a seamless gutter machine, or I can select a roof or wall panel profile for an existing machine I may already own. Let's start with a roof panel machine. I go to where it says View Machines, I click on that. It takes me at first to the SSQ3 roof and wall panel machine. If you notice on the left, it has a drop-down menu that allows you to select different roofing machines. So you can select between an SSQ3, an SSQ2, an SSH, an SSR, a wave machine, or the 5V crimp panel machine. For today's example, I'm going to click on the SSQ3. At the bottom right corner, you see where it says Continue. Click there. It takes you into the SSQ3 configurator page. So while I'm in the SSQ3 configurator page, I can select an implant package, a portable package, or a machine-only package. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select a commercial package. I click on commercial, and I want to make it a portable package. So I'll select the portable package on the left. I select that, and I come down to the bottom right and click on continue. Now, it takes me to the page where I'm going to choose my machine options. At the top here, it shows what the base setup includes, which is the dual overhead reel rack, 2 expandable reels, the unique automatic control system, and 5 runout tables, which gives you a total of 50 feet of runout table. All of those options are included in this commercial package. From there, I can select a panel profile to go along with the machine. And as you can see, there is a wide option. There's up to 16 different panel profiles you can select with the SSQ machine with the base price of that portable commercial package. I select the 2-inch mechanical seam profile, and as you see now, it shows that it's highlighted on the screen. I scroll down further, and it's going to tell me which rib roller option I would like to select. You're going to get one style of rib roller with the base price of this package. Our most popular rib style is striation, so I will go ahead and select striation ribs. And you see, once I did that, that striation rib selection is highlighted with the blue surrounding. One quick note I would like to point out. On the left side of this configurator, you see a picture of the SSQ3 machine on a trailer. Please note that that picture is a stock photo, and some of the items you may select as you go through the configurator might not be the same as what you see in the picture. The picture is for reference use only. I now will select which power option I want. The machine is capable of running with our quick change power packs. You have your choice of gas or electric power pack. Our electric power packs can be anywhere from a 220 volt single phase or a 220 volt 3-phase up to a 460 volt 3-phase motor. It just depends on your shop's requirements. For this exercise, because I'm selecting the portable unit, I'm going to select the gas engine. You see it highlighted the gas engine. Now I scroll down and look at the different accessories that are available for the SSQ3. The machine with the package I've selected already includes 5 runout tables, so I won't need any extra runout tables. I shouldn't need any extra expandable arbors because it's already going to have the 2 that go on top of the machine. I do want a trailer, so I will select the trailer option, and you can see that it gets added. There's options for the wireless remote control, single lock hand seamers, double lock hand seamers, interfaces for a hot melt technology sealant system, additional frames for rib rollers. If I wanted to add a second power pack option because they are quick change, let's say I'm running the machine in my shop during the winter months, I want the electric motor And during the summer months, I'm going to have the gas engine, so I can get both motors if I want. You're going to have your choice of one with the base price of the machine. Our strippable PVC tape applicator, a canvas cover kit, and a shipping crate. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select the canvas cover kit, and I would select it with the unique controller. I'm not selecting notching, so I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to say to add that to the quote. I scroll down further. If I want to add additional panel profiles, this section is where I would do it. The machine has already been selected with the 2-inch mechanical seam profile, but let's say I wanted to do a board and batten profile as well. I can select that. I scroll down. It now shows me my flush wall soffit panel profile options if you wanted to do that as well, along with the optional non-powered perforator if you're looking to do a vented soffit panel profile. For the demonstration purposes, I'm not going to select a flush wall profile at this time since I selected the board and batten. You might notice at the bottom of the screen, as I'm adding items to this online quotation, it's showing me the total price on the far left corner and your estimated monthly payment. Please note that is an estimate only. The finance companies that you'll work with will determine your credit worthiness and will get you the best rates available depending on what your credit situation is. As I scroll down further, I can add additional rib roller options if needed. At this point, I'm going to stick with the striation ribs I've already quoted. So at this point, I have completed my quotation and I'm going to click the request a quote at the bottom right. When I do that, it pulls up the information that we'll need from you in order to send you this quotation and to get one of our account reps to follow up with you and make sure that we've got everything quoted to you properly from your configurator and discuss the different options with you in more detail. There will also be a link in that quotation that will take you to our financing partner, Corbel. Corbel works with a wide variety of different finance companies to make sure that they'll find the right match that best meets your needs. Now I'm going to walk you through doing a quotation for one of our Mach 2 seamless gutter machines. So follow along. I click here and go to the View Machines, and it takes me to the overview. As I scroll down, there's a video that gives you more information about the Mach 2 gutter machines. Go to the Continue button at the bottom right. I can choose a Mach 2 5-inch gutter machine, a Mach 2 6-inch gutter machine, or a Mach 2 5/6 combo. For purposes of this demo, I'm going to select a combo machine. As you see, it gets highlighted in blue, and then I can come to the side here and say, do I want an economy machine, a basic machine, or with options 1, 2, or 3? So I'm going to go ahead and select option 1 with the 5-inch, 6-inch combo gutter machine. And as you can see here, it shows what's included with this option. It's going to have 2 turnstile reel stands, 2 reels, and the shears. I go ahead and click the Continue button, and it takes me to the configurator page itself. So it shows me the 5/6 combo gutter machine with the 2 turnstile reel stands, the 2 reels, and the shears. And it shows me that all of those items are included with this base package that I've selected. As I scroll down, I can add a 3rd turnstile reel stand, I can add a 3rd reel, I can add a transfer rack, an adjustable coil cradle, and other options like run-out stands, riser pads, remote controls, hook assemblies. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select the run-out stands. So I select that, and I'm going to select a set of 3 of them. That's our most common kind of configuration and option that we see for gutter machines. So I select the set of 3, and I say Add to Quote. As you can see in the bottom left, it now shows the price of the machine with that option I've selected for the run-out stands, and also my estimated monthly payments for financing. As I scroll down further, I can upgrade my power system. Do I want a gutter machine to operate off of a 12-volt system? Then I would select that option. If the gutter machine is going to be shipped overseas for overseas use, we have a 230-volt, 50 hertz motor that's also available if needed. Once I've selected those items and I'm ready to go, I'm going to click Request a Quote. And again, it takes me to the page where it's going to ask for my contact information. So I fill that out, and The quotation will be emailed to me along with the financing contact information, and one of our account managers will reach out to you to discuss your needs further. Lastly, if you already own a NewTek Machinery panel machine and you're looking to add an additional profile, you can do that right from the configurator page as well. As you see here, we have roof and wall panel profiles. I can select View Products, and it takes me into it. I can choose mechanically seamed profiles, snap lock profiles, snap lock clipless profiles, which would be the profiles with the nail strip on them so that no clips are required for installation. I can select board and batten profiles or flush wall soffit panel profiles. For this example, I'm going to select snap lock profiles. I click that and I go to the bottom right to say continue. It shows me on the left which panel machines are capable of producing the snap lock panel profiles. So if I know I own an SSQ2 roof panel machine, I'll select that specific machine, and then here are the different panel profiles that are snap lock capable that are available for the SSQ2. For this example, I'm going to select the SSQ 675 snap lock panel. I click that, and if you notice in the top right of what the approximate shape is of this specific panel profile. It also gives me a little bit of descriptor on the side for notes, telling you about different profiles that might share the same left side rollers and such. In this specific option, the 675 profile is a standalone profile, so you're going to need both sides to purchase it. So if I click on continue on the bottom right, it shows me the price of that panel profile. If I need additional accessories, I can also select those here at this specific area of the quotation. Once I am done, again, I click on the request to quote and I fill out that information so that one of our account managers can follow up with you. These profiles are also available for financing, so you will also get the link to our finance partners should you wish to finance the profile. That's a basic walkthrough of how our configurator works. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and very intuitive. If you're not sure and you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us for further assistance.